Good afternoon, student. Today I am going to teach you the chapter 5 differential equation. This is differential equation is the part of mathematics which deals different sections. First we go for definition of the differential equation. Differential equation is an equation which is involving independent variable, dependent variable and the derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Simply, if you take an example, y dy by dx plus x d square y by dx square equal to let it be 5, where y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, dy by dx is define the derivative of y with respect to x. If a equation involves three things, independent variable, dependent variable and the derivative, that type of equation we call the differential equation. Now my main aim is to solve the linear equation. Today main aim to the class. Now I go for the solution how to solve a linear differential equation. Main name basically linear equations are two types. Now I go for this. Linear equation are two types. Type 1, type 1, equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to qx, which is a linear differential equation of y with respect to x. Basically you see the now I am going for this equation. This is the linear equation dy by dx of y equal to sin x. This is one type of a linear equation, but for solution we go for the solution. Some part are required. If the solution of the form dy by dx p of x y equal to q of x, that equation is called linear equation with respect to x. For example, go for the solution. First we have to find the integrating factor, that is if. This is integrating factor. Integrating factor formula is e to the power integration of p dx. Integration, the formula is e to the power p dx. If a equation of the form, then the general solution we go for. Then after we go for the general solution. General solution of this equation is y into integrating factor equal to integration q of x integrating factor whole of dx, that gives the general equation by solution of the general equation of the form of y with respect to x. The second type is of general equation is Type 2, equation of the form dx by dy plus p of y of x equal to q of y, which is a linear differential equation of x with respect to y, which is a linear differential equation of x with respect to y. Solution for this equation equal to x into integrating factor equal to integration p of y into integrating factor, q of y with integrating factor whole of dy. This gives the general solution or solution of the differential equation. Such type of solution going for this. This is the solution. dy by dx y cot x equal to cot x, where p of x equal to, if you show you, where this is the linear differential equation of x with respect to x. This is p of x, where p of x equal to cot x, q of x equal to cos x. First we go for the integrating factor e to the power p dx, e to the power cot x dx. Cot x integration log sin x, e to the power log sin x, that equal to sin x. Go for the solution. Solution is y integrating factor equal to integration q of integrating factor dx equal to c. Y we get the integration, we already find the integrating factor, that is sin x, that equal to integration, that is q of x cos x, and integrating factor sin x dx. Cos x sin x if we put by the substitution method. Okay, thank you.